Yes, welcome viewers. This is Youth Leading Environmental Change, and my name is Andrew Prince, the Programs Director. What you are looking at here is one of our demonstrations for the food security under the category of kitchen gardens. What we do under food security is we train smallholder farmers, families, most especially in urban centers, in schools, and also in rural settings, to make these demonstrations at their homes. You do not require a very huge space. You require only a very limited space whereby you can set up this kitchen garden. We train people in climate smart agriculture, whereby they can harvest food at the comfort of their compounds. What we have here is we have vegetables. This is wheat. We have carrots, and we have also spinach. So in this simple demonstration of a kitchen garden, you can find that these vegetables you have can feed a family for up to around 3 months. When you are harvesting vegetables, you do not have to go to the markets to buy vegetables, but you can get them at the comfort of your compound. Thank you.